This might be a quick little video, but I want to show you guys how to instantly increase your win rate. And this will literally work with any single strategy, and it helped me so much. So hopefully you guys learn a little bit from this video. Let's go right into it. We got the chart right in front of me. Now, I didn't take a single trade today, and that's one of the most crucial things about this video. My motto, honestly, my biggest sentence that I ever say, especially on days like today, is wait for the best and leave the rest. And you should literally take that on your wall. I know people got post-it notes, people got their whiteboards and they write stuff. Literally write down, take the best, leave the rest. Why is that so important? Why is that so crucial? Because it allows you to not take these paper cuts. It allows you to not take these dumb trades. I see this all the time. People are like, oh, the little 5% here, a little 5% here. After so many paper cuts, your arm falls off. That's exactly what happens with your trading account. Yes, maybe $50 here, $50 here, you're not going to think it starts adding up, but $50 times that by 5, that's $250 that you just lost. And let's say your average loss on a position size of 1,000 is around 10%. So you lose $100 every time you lose on a regular position size. But let's say you wanted to size down today because the market didn't really present itself, but you still want to trade, which means that you're not waiting for the best and leaving the rest. So now you're getting these paper cuts, and let's say you only take a $250 position, right? It's a quarter size position size. And let's say you lose 10% on that. That's $25. Yeah, that's not a lot because you usually lose 100, but then you do that twice. Dude, you just lost half of what you were supposed to lose on a regular position. So now the next trade, if you win and let's say you make 10%, you just made 100, but instead now you only made $50 because you lost $50 doing dumb trades. You can't be doing that. No paper cuts, wait for the best, leave the rest. Stop taking these dumb trades, stupid trades. Even though you think it's small, you position size lower and lower. Why take a trade in the first place if it's not the best? Leave all of that behind, wait for the best, leave the rest. That's literally my motto. Every single time I trade, I think about that constantly. Is this a good enough trade for me to take? If not, then I'm not going to take it. No matter risk, nothing. I'm not going to lower my position size. Oh, I'm going to lower my position size because it's like an okay setup. Don't take it then. Only take trades that you're willing to risk your actual risk on, or else don't take it in the first place because those paper cuts will start adding up and you might not know it yet, but listen, literally listen to me with this. Paper cuts start to add up. Let's say you made 20% on Monday, right? On your $1,000 position size, you made 200. Now, let's say the market didn't present itself at all for the entire week and you didn't take another trade. You're up 200 on the week. Well, guess what? Tuesday, you took a paper cut. Let's say you took a $50 loss. All right, so now you're only up 150. Then the next day, you position side down, right? Because you're not as confident. And then you just made $75, right? Now you're up to 225. But let's say you took 3 paper cuts the next day, right, for 25 each, and you size down because you're like, the market's still not presenting itself, but let me just take these small trades. You lost 3 times in a row. Now you just lost $75. Next up, you're only up $150. And then the next day, let's say you make 10%, you're up $250 on the week when you were just up 200, but you did all of that work. Your psychology making that $250, you're way more stressed out. It took way too much work and effort to make that $250 versus you could have just left the $200 win on Monday and just waited until next week. But instead, in order for you to increase it to another $50, you did all that paper cuts, that drawdown of $50. That will hurt your mental. You're doing way too much for absolutely zero reasons, right? I made 25% on my position size yesterday, and I haven't taken a trade since. Let's say I took a 10% loss today. Now I'm only up 15% on the week on my position size because I was taking stupid trades. I'm waiting for the market to let me know when I could trade, and that's the biggest problem that I see. This is why your win rate sucks, right? You think these paper cuts aren't impacting you? They are. Stop taking these dumb trades and literally wait for the best. Leave the rest. And like I said, it's going to be a short video today, but I just wanted you guys to understand that. So hopefully you guys did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.